Multiply 3.5 times 10 and 1/5. Whenever I multiply two mixed numbers together, the first thing I want to do is turn both of them into improper fractions. How do I turn 3.5 into an improper fraction? Multiply the whole number out in front, the 3, to the denominator, which is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Take that 6 and add it to the numerator. 6 plus 1 is 7. Keep your old denominator of 2, and now 3.5 becomes 7 over 2. Same thing over here. Multiply that whole number that lives out in front, 10, to the denominator of 5. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 plus the numerator of 1 becomes 51. So 51 is your new numerator, and your denominator remains 5. Now, when I multiply fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. I don't know what 7 times 51 is, so I'm going to go off to the side and do 51 times 7. The old-fashioned way, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So 7 times 51 is 357. 2 times 5 is 10. Now, nothing here simplifies, but you know what? This is an improper fraction, so I need to turn this back into a mixed number. How? Find out how many times 10 goes into 357. Well, 10 goes into 35 3 whole times, so let me write that out. 3 times 10 is 30. Subtract. 35 minus 30 is 5. Drop down to 7. 10 goes into 57 5 whole times. 5 times 10 is 50. Subtract. And 57 minus 50 is 7. Now, with no more numbers to drop down, 7 becomes my remainder. How do I turn this into a mixed number? Well, that 35 becomes the whole number that lives out in front, 35. My remainder of 7 becomes my new numerator, and my old denominator of 10 doesn't change, and that stays the denominator of 10. So at the end of the day, we end up with 35 and 7/10.